Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Let me quickly enter the code. So here we've got the contact. Now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So now all you have to do is to tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So here device photos, and it is divided into the camera. After tapping on this option, your device will immediately open the camera app and the gallery, so you can choose something from previously taken photos. Google Photos, so here you've got basically your backed up photos. Monogram, so you can simply choose the first letter from the name of the surname or nick, whatever. Change the fonts, change the colors, up to you. And then the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so I highly recommend to choose something from those options, which are extremely useful, especially if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So let me choose maybe this one, just tap on it. And here in those illustrations, we've got also pre-installed presets, so we can change the colors. It's totally up to you. And in all of those options, we can crop the picture, which means that we can zoom it in or out using two fingers. We can change the position of it. We can also change the size of this highlighted square. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Then tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.